These are your crunches. If you're looking for a modification for sit-ups, this is the way to go. Put your feet on the ground and lift those shoulders up off the ground, okay, to start with. Slowly pull yourself up and release. And remember to pause at the top. Up and release. You're going to start with those upper abs to pull. You're going to feel it all the way down to your lower abs and then release. Up and release. Up and release. If you want some weight in your hands for a little extra resistance, you can do that too. And those are your crunches.